back, I remember watching a television show called Mythbusters where they tried to determine what was bulletproof. One of the things that they thought perhaps was bulletproof was cornstarch mixed with water. Cornstarch has a very unique property that it has a very low viscosity when objects enter it at a low rate of speed. At a high rate of speed, it has very high viscosity and is almost solid. So the theory was that perhaps it could be bulletproof. Unfortunately, it failed the test. So I tried to determine that perhaps we can make something bulletproof with cornstarch if we used a liquid which had an even higher viscosity, perhaps even a soft solid at a high viscosity. So what I determined I was going to do was take some shortening, melt it, mix some cornstarch with it, and then let it solidify again. What I used was 2 pounds of shortening for every 1 pound of cornstarch. Melt the shortening down, mix in the cornstarch until it's nice and smooth and creamy, pour it into a container, and then we'll let it sit in the fridge. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge. We're going to let it sit until it gets solid again. Then we're going to take it out, and we're going to shoot several guns into the block and see how it performs against the bullets, see which bullets are able to penetrate the furthest or not. So let's go ahead and let this cool off, and then see what happens. The block almost seems to have a buttery consistency. I'll be surprised if the bullet doesn't pass all the way